Excuse me sir, excuse me ma'am, excuse me senior. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How's life? I hope you are in a good condition. We are from Electrical Railways Engineering 1A. We would like to explain about types of image and technical drawing setting.
Snip image is but a hidden image or cover the part of the image.
Types of technical drawings. First, cuts in one plane. Number 2, cuts of more than one area. Number 3, local cut. Number 4, half cut. Number 5, sequential cuts. Number 6, pieces right in place.
Cuts in one strap. For a section that passes through the main axis, the section drawing does not need to be given a symbol for an explanation on the cut line. Well, for a section that does not pass through the main axis, the location of the cut line is indicated by the cut symbol on the cut line. This is an example for through the main axis and not through the main axis. Cuts of more than one area. In the jump section, the cutting plane consists of two planes joined together. On intersecting planes, when symmetrical parts can be drawn onto intersecting planes. Where in adjacent planes, the pieces are made by making adjacent cutting planes through the axis line. It is example of jump pieces intersecting two areas and side-by-side section.
Next is local cut. In sketching part, you can frequently utilize local component because it just needs a small portion of the item or is consolidated. This is the example of local cut.
Or next is half cut. A half section can be drawn on a symmetrical object but set equal, with one half being a view image and the other half being a sectional image. Hidden lines don't need to be drawn with stroke lines in the half section image because they are clearly visible in the cut image. This is half cut.
Printout cuts blue. Success since section in it is necessary to give dimension or overprecision, wherein all the striations are on the main axis and it is located below the skin. In successful section, it is the case to give dimension or overprecision, wherein all the sentence are on the main axis and it is located below the skin.
Guys, place it in a place. Move it. It contains components or objects such as, for example, label, width, hooks, reinforcing grips, or shown on the cross-sectional shape can be drawn locally after the planes are rotated and moved.
Definition of architectural setting are parallel lines drawn on an image part to show different cutting image.
What can be drawn? There are several shadings that can determine the material used. The first one is wood, metal, which is steel or iron, and then metal, which is lead and zinc, glass, concrete, gasket, which is porcelain and marble, gasket, porcelain and marble, and also wood. And that's all the presentation of our class. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.